Well, in Maryland, you got to do it every year.
Okay.
So I did it last year.
So you had the oil change and what
Yeah,
else?
well, actually, they changed the transmission right there.
Mm-hmm.
I had it out in the water 2 months ago.
Where did you use, on the sea, on the river?
River.
River. Have you ever been on the sea?
Yeah, in Maryland, it was in the sea.
Okay.
It's a pretty fast boat.
It's 125 horsepower,
Yeah.
I believe, yeah?
Yeah. The outboards are faster than the inboards.
How big is the engine?
125.
It's all electric working on it?
Yeah. And that's a galvanized trailer. It never rusts.
Yeah. You know the whole weight?
No, but it's on the ad. All the dimensions.
Mm-hmm.
And I have clear Maryland title, so.
The title no problem because it's gonna go to Europe. So.
Oh, okay. Everybody always asks me about the title, so I just tell them.
Yeah, it's very important because.
Let me start it up for you.
Okay.
Can't run it a long time because it needs water to cool it down.
Yeah. How many hours do you have in the engine?
Right here. See. I think it's 20 hours.
20 hours, yeah.
It's 20.0.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to take the cover off?
No, that's fine. I can see. There's a little story under the...
Right here.
Right here. Mm-hmm.
And then here's the top.
The bimini top.
Well, it's not a bimini top, but it's a top.
Uh-huh.
And then there's storage in here. The battery's over here.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. Let's go the battery.
Oh, it's brand new. And then there's a shut off.
Mm-hmm.
You do here, the motor goes up and you lock it. When you're towing it.
Mm-hmm.
But if it stays in the water all the time, you know.
Yeah.
And it has a lock right here.
Yep, you can lock it. Okay. Egyik ülés sincs kiszakadva. Elől a bőr sincs sehol megrepedve. 20 üzemóra van a motorban.
See, the window comes out, and then you walk forward.
Yeah.
So it fits. You can have 7 people that you know that are average weight. Because I think it's 7,000 pounds. 7 persons or 1,000 pounds of people. But I don't know. That's the rules here. In Europe, I don't know. I guess you don't have rules.
We have rules, but I don't believe we're gonna be more than 7 also inside.
Right here?
The oil, yeah? Ez az olajbeöntő benzin.
It actually is pretty good on gas. I don't have the brochure here, but it's much better than an inboard. I think I always keep like 30 gallons in there.
I saw that. It's not scratching the butt. Csalja megkarcolva. It's in good condition.
Oh, yeah.
It's green, yeah?
Pardon?
It's green?
Green.
Sötét zöld.
I think they only
Arany.
came in green and purple that year. Well, I pulled it all the way from Maryland.
Trailernek nincs külön
The tires are
fék.
brand new.
Vadonatúj gumikkal van. There's the harbor lights.
Like that. And then you got the side lights.
Yeah.
The thing looks brand new. Look at it.
Here you put the oil, yeah?
Yeah, and last season they're putting new spark plugs in it.
Úgy értja.
See, it has coil packs. It's real modern.
Mercury 2001 January. Egy gyári takaró van rajta.